HTZ stock analysis. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm covering all that, so watch till the end. Hertz Global Holdings is a decent 7.7% increase on Friday, but for the whole weekly performance, around kind of flat, right? So, I mean, I see like what people mean here. I looked to take things out from this demand zone, kind of went, but this was a clear break even. Here beforehand, before that prediction, I have a clear call out for the long side, and you can see this did quite deliver, right here. And then after its delivery, the only time where I'm again going to look at this and be like, right, it's bullish. It's going to be if there's a second full candle close above this. So I'm talking a pull and shift. And if on that pull, if there's a confirmation, then yeah, I'm looking to buy. So I'm going to keep you updated. This might seem overwhelming, but really not. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.